Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Seller Central, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Amazon Seller Central, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.amazon.com. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, scroll to the very bottom of the page. Look for the Sell on Amazon link, usually found in the footer. Click on that link to be redirected to the Amazon Seller Central page. In the upper right corner, you will see the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile phone number. Type in the email or phone number associated with your Seller Central account. After entering your email or phone number, click on the Continue button. Next, you will need to input your password. Make sure your password is entered correctly for successful login. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button again. If you have enabled two-step verification, you will be prompted to enter a code. This code will be sent to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Verify. Here, you can manage your products, view sales data, and access various tools for your business. If you face any issues during the login process, double-check your email and password for accuracy. You can also click on Forgot Your Password to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. This will help you navigate easily through your Seller Central account. If you need to log out, click on your account name in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu to securely exit your account. This completes the login process for Amazon Seller Central. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.